Hello guys, today we're going to read about Observing Matter by Anna Schlecker. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is not just only science, this is a physical science, which is usually updated. Cool. Grade 1, Level 1. Lesson 8. That's what I think of. Dream. Non-fiction. Comprehension skills. Alike and different. Text features. Only glossaries. And our science content is matter. What we are going to read today. Look at this. There's everything in this toolbox. Vocabulary. So you can always see this in this corner. So here is a vocabulary. Contains some new hard words that you have to remember. I feels like I remember all. This is dissolved content, which is usually in the vocabulary. Evaporate, gas, liquid, mass, matter, solid. Well, what is matter? Yes, it takes up space. It has mass, and it also has a tiny parts. But some parts are too small to see. Describing matter. Matter can have different shapes. It can have different sizes. How are things in this picture alike and different? What's this? What are solid, liquids, and gases? A solid is a matter, and it also takes up space. But it does not change. It doesn't change shape. A liquid is a matter. The liquid takes the shape of the bottle. A liquid takes the shape of what it is in, and it also doesn't change. But gas is a matter. It also takes up space. It can change shapes and size and shapes. It takes the shape of what is in it. Bubbles are filled with air. Like these bubbles, air is a gas. So that means bubble is also a gas. How does matter change? Matter can change in many ways. A liquid can freeze when it's cold and becomes solid. A solid can melt when it's hot, and it can be turned into a liquid. Let's see, solids and liquids. Soup is made of solids and liquids together. The solids and liquids are mixed. You can take the solids out of the liquid. There, solids and liquids are mixed. Some solids dissolve the liquids. Dissolve means to spread throughout a liquid. How can water change? Water is a liquid. Water can freeze when it's cold and turn into ice. The water can change, and ice is a solid. But heat melts ice. The ice changes to water. Water and Water is a liquid, and water boils when it gets very hot. The water is changed into a gas. This gas is a water vapor, and the water vapor, that's just a gas. What are other ways to make matters change? Heat makes water evaporate. Evaporates means to change from liquid to gas. The sun can make water on the ground evaporates. Plain paper is a solid, and it can burn. It does not turn back into the paper. Matter is all around us. It can change. Yes. It's already the end of the book. Glossary. Dissolve is to spread throughout a liquid. Evaporate is to change from a liquid to a gas. Gas is a matter that can change size and shapes. Liquid is also matter, but it has its own size and takes the shape out of its container. Mass is the amount of matter in the object, and matter is anything that takes up space. For example, gas, liquid, and solid. Matter that has its own shape and size, that is solid. What did you learn? Number 1. What are some things in your classroom that are made of matter? For example, like things like book or the notebook, and two of them are solid. The solid is a matter, and so that means they could made of matter. That's an example. Number 2. How can you describe matter? A matter is anything that takes up space. But that's just not only because it also has mass, has tiny parts, and also tiny parts. So, and here also describing matter. Matter can have different shapes and size. Yes. How are the things in this picture alike and different? Yes. These are the things you normally see in every day, in everywhere. Number 3. Writing and science. Matters can change. Write to describe one way matter can change. Like for example, solid is a matter, and solid can turn into a liquid, and liquid will heat up and turn into a gas. That's one way to describe. That's one way matter can change to describe. But actually, so here are the solid, liquids, and gases. A solid is a matter. Solid, liquid, and gas takes up space. Solids and liquids doesn't change. But a gas can change size and shapes. That's what is So gas is different from solid and liquids because it can change size and shapes. Number 4. Alike and different. How is a solid like a liquid? How is it different? Solid and liquids are same because are alike because they are made of matter, but it's different because it's solid will heat up and melt down into a liquid, and the liquid will flows up and turn into a solid. But the difference is they are different size. They can all be different size and shapes. There. So that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye and have a great day. Now.